I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Your iPad has sufficient charge and runs a current iPad OS version. Open Settings, then tap Battery. This is where low power mode lives. You'll see a low power mode switch. Flip it off to restore background refresh, higher performance, and full visual effects. Do this now so apps can resume normal activity. Once toggled, wait a few seconds for system services to restart. This reduces app reloads and smooths performance immediately. Once you've turned the switch off in Battery, make future changes faster by adding low power mode to Control Center. Go to Settings, right arrow Control Center and add the toggle, then swipe to access it instantly. You can also ask Siri, say turn off low power mode, which saves time when your hands are busy. Additionally, inspect shortcuts automations. If an automation re-enables low power mode, disable or edit it so the setting stays off. These steps prevent unexpected reactivation and keep finish by confirming low power mode is off. Check Settings, right arrow Battery and observe normal app behavior and charge reporting. If the toggle won't switch, restart the iPad. If that fails, update iPad OS to eliminate software bugs. Make sure no shortcuts automation or third-party app is forcing low power mode. Open shortcuts and disable any automation that sets it. One key troubleshooting tip: if low power mode keeps re-enabling unexpectedly, disabling shortcuts automations usually fixes it, because automations are the most common silent reactivation cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.